Hey guys, welcome back to the vlog, or should I say welcome back to the GoVlog. So this is my first vlog. I'm going to be trying to vlog daily for about 1 year, so that's 365 vlogs. And let's hope we can hit. I'm hoping for 10K subscribers by then. So what is a GoVlog? You're probably wondering, what is a GoVlog? Well, it is when I'm swinging. It's when, well, you can do this with the GoPro too, but I'm just using a tripod with an iPad and holding it up, so whatever I see is gonna be on the camera, because it's like at my head, so yeah. Well, actually, if it was a GoPro, it would have been like this high, but it's holding it at my vision. So I'm swimming with my brother, so what it is, it's kind of like you don't show your face and all of that, and you just vlog. So I may be the first one to do this, but I don't know. So I mean, why don't we get into the vlog and have some fun rather than me just sitting down and swinging. So right now, as I'm currently doing this, you can see my shadow. I do not know what to vlog here. I really do not know. Because, you know, I have all this wide open space to vlog. And guys, if we can hit, I know this may sound really weird or so, if we can hit 10 subscribers, I'll try and do a house tour. So, I mean, the funny thing is, guess what guys, I have strep. And I feel perfectly normal. It's kind of weird, but I'm cautious. So, ooh, if you touch my, what's it called, tripod, then you may not like it. So, I'm just going to show you my house real quick. So guys, guess what? Halloween is, right now as I'm currently filming it, it's the 29th. Do you want me to go trick-or-treating with this? I will go trick-or-treating with this. I'm not afraid because I'm proud of it. And I'm proud of vlogging because, well, go vlogging because, I mean, I've always wanted to vlog for my life. And right now I can't show my face or anything. So, I mean, I've been sorting for days and like weeks and almost a year. And I couldn't find what to do. And now I do. So at this moment, I don't know what we're gonna vlog about. So, I mean, why don't we check my playhouse? I know it's pretty old. It's about 10 years. 8 to 10 years old. Or 11. I don't know, 12 maybe. 13. It's very old, as you can see. Sorry if you hear crying or stuff in the background. It's just probably my next door neighbors outside playing. But but they probably won't. I don't know if they will interfere. So I'm just warning you. Is there something in here? So one day I want to do something with this. I'll try and vlog it or so. This is kind of like an introducing vlog. It's pretty getting late, but I want to do something with this. I feel the need to do something with this. I don't know what I'll do. Garden maybe? I maybe could. So, I don't know what I'm going to do for today's vlog or anything. Now this is really like a GoPro. So, yeah. So, yeah, I'm introducing my brother.
Hi.
Yeah, he's going to be like in every single video. because, I mean, two's better than one person, right? That's what they always say. So actually, what I want to do this vlog is, see that playhouse right there? I want to go in it. This is a bad idea, but tripod goes first. That might be not that funny, but have a sense of humor. So, to be honest, this is like abandoned. So something here is clogging it, I believe. Oops. Yeah. I'm really not in the room. But is that a bird's nest?
Yes, I think.
It really is?
Yeah.
What?
I don't know how they got in here, but... We're gonna go in.
You're gonna go in?
Yeah.
Go. Oh, crap.
There's just spider webs everywhere and stuff. There could be wasp nests. This is a close-up.
If there really is something in here.
There even is something on a daddy long leg. We shouldn't mess with that.
Come on. And I am sweating because it's freaking hot in there. Okay. Going down the slide with my GoVlog. Oh, shoot. Oh, my God. That was freaking scary. I want to go swing.
Oh, I just saw it.
What did you see? Ooh.
How can you hold it in the air?
I don't know.
And swing at the same time.
So guys, that is going to be the end of today's vlog. And I hope you guys enjoy. And bye.